Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you the simplest way I know to convert URL content, web pages to Markdown to provide to AI. And in particular, this app allows you to do it in bulk. If you want to specify 5, 50, 100, 500, 5,000, 10,000 URLs and convert it to Markdown, all you have to do is specify the URLs and it's very, very easy. I'm going to share my screen and share exactly how I do this. So what you need to do is go to apify.com and register a new account and go to the App Store and type in AI Markdown Maker. You can try it out for free. What you're going to do is click on Try for Free and go here and specify the URLs you want to convert to Markdown. All you have to do is go here to URLs and specify either one by one, or you can specify in the bulk edit and just copy paste all of your URLs line by line by line. And you can also use the APIs as well. Once you're ready, just click on start and it'll start running. What does it do simply while it's running? It takes the content of the website, for example, in the middle, it tries to extract only the content, not the sidebars or the header links or the footer links, and convert it using Gina.ai into Markdown, simple text content. For example, you can see all the content that is right here with the headers and with the text content that you can see in the middle. Once they finish running, you can just go back and see the results right here, row by row, or what I like to do is export it to CSV so I can open it in Excel or Google Sheets. I click on CSV, download, and now I can see it in my Google Sheets. I have all the information. Now I can export it and just give it to my AI and use it to query and provide more relevant context data for my AI. It's really simple and it works very easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about it, you have any suggestions, you want to improve the app, just try it out. Let us know what you think. And please like, subscribe, and share if you did like this video. Much, much appreciated. And we'll provide the links in the description. Thanks.